so neat and very portable. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lomzy. I'm back again with another video on how to make customized shoulder pad. Yeah, we'll be working with 7 inches by 3.5 as the length of our shoulder pad, and this is my fabric and is not on fold. I mean my pattern paper. So I'm going to be folding it like so now, lengthwise. I'm folding it lengthwise. So lengthwise I'm going to be marking 2.5 inches, and widthwise I'm going to mark also 2.5 inches. Remember, we're working with 7 by 3.5, right? Yes. So after folding it, I will take width length 2.5 and length width on fold 2.5, meaning when I open it out it's going to be 5 inches in length and 2.5 widthwise. So I'm going to connect these two lines like this. Just, eyeball it. It must not be a full circle. Just eyeball it. Having the shape of a shoulder pad in your head, you eyeball it. I'm going to cut this out. So this is how it will look. So this is the pattern for our shoulder, customized shoulder pad. So we'll be working with this. Normally this is the shoulder pad we have in Nigeria, but I'm sure this is not what you want to use as your shoulder pad. You can actually use this and cut out from this shoulder pad, but because I want the shoulder pad to be, the width of the shoulder pad to be smaller, I'm going to be using my pad. This pad is a little bit smaller than the normal shoulder pad. As you can see, the width is not even up to ½ inch. So that's what I'll be working with, because the client doesn't really want full shoulder. She just wants that look of shoulder pad on her dress. So with my foam like this, I'm going to place this and mark it and cut exactly what I have on my pattern paper, which is 5 inches by 2.5. Remember, our shoulder pad is supposed to be 7 by 3.5, but the pattern here is 5 by 2.5. So after cutting it, this is what I have like this. Now I'm going to be coming to my fabric. This fabric I've already I used it to make my corset, so it's already has an interface. So I'm just going to work with it like that. If you want, you don't need yours to have an interface. So I'm going to fold it like this and trace out, leaving ½ inch all around. This ½ inch all around will now make it 7 by 3.5. Yeah. So I'm going to cut this out and come back to you. Yeah, after cutting it out, this is how it looks. So I'm going to sandwich this into it and go to my machine and weave around it. So you just go to your overlocker and place this in, sandwich it like so, and then you overlock it round neatly with the same color of thread. So I'm doing that. I'll be back with it. This is how it looks, so neat and very portable. See how it is. So I'm going to go ahead and place this on my fabric. So your fabric can be, as in your dress can be on a mannequin, or you can walk flat, anyhow you want to do it. You can actually do that. So I'm going to fold this into two like this, into halves. Make sure I get the center. With that, I will place the center of the shoulder pad to the dress, making sure that the um, um, seam allowance goes towards the shoulder pad. So I'm going to tack it around like that, but before I tack it, I'm going to pin it down. So I pin it down in place for it to be easy for me to tack. Yeah, see how small and portable it looks. If it's the normal shoulder pad, it will not be this portable. As you can see, my client is on the small side, so I needed the shoulder pad to be smaller. And if you want this to be bigger, if you want the shoulder pad to be fuller, you can actually add more foam to that, to make it, to double the foam. So it's, you have a thicker foam inside for your shoulder pad. So that's why it's a customized shoulder pad. You do it any way you want to, unlike the store-bought shoulder pads. So when I'm done placing or pinning this in place, I'll go ahead and tack it. Yeah, I'm just showing you guys this method. I'm not going to be attaching a shoulder pad to my corset. I just did this for the sake of this video, so I'm just going to tag this in place and show you guys how it looks. And afterwards I will remove it, because my client doesn't need a shoulder pad on her corset dress. So this you cannot run by using your machine, or if you can, if you're comfortable with it, but my corset is very heavy because of the fabric I use, so I needed to hand stitch this. So I just go ahead and tack it all the three corners to make sure it stays in place before your shoulder pad would fall off your client's body. Yeah, if this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. This is actually the final dress. As you can see, I don't need a shoulder pad for this, but if I'm making a shoulder pad, I will have to make room for my shoulder pad, to accommodate the shoulder pad. But I didn't do that to this dress, so I don't need a shoulder pad for it. Yes, so with this I have come to the end of the video today. Do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. See you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.